for this assignment, you will be given a grade. And if you will just read the directions beneath each box, it tells you what you need to do. The first step is decide how big you want your heart, and you're just going to draw a heart, and you're going to fill up that space. The next step says that you're going to draw horizontal lines that curve when you're inside the heart. So if you want them to be the same, then I would mark them. You could do every half of an inch to start with, and then if you feel like that's too big, you can come back and then you can mark closer. I'm marking every number. That way I know I have an inch, because this is an 11-inch sheet of paper. Then remember that if you will line it up on the sides, you can make sure it's straight, or you could do 2 tick marks, but sometimes that just makes it worse. So it's straight outside the box. When you get to the heart, you're going to create a curve. So when you get in here, you're going to start and you're going to curve over, and it's going to create an optical illusion. And then it comes back to the side and out, so they should connect. So I'm going to take and move this one up. If you've ever done the hand tracing, this is the same exact project. And then create your line that goes across. This is how you're going to create the optical illusion. And you could be like me, where you start it, and then you're like, oh, I need to fix that. And I don't like how that looks. So I still feel that I need to bring this up. And correct that, and curve it just a little bit more. All right, next one. Same thing, except you're going all the way across. And then you're going to create that optical illusion that it curves when it's a flat surface. And you're going to do this throughout the whole entire work. Once you get that part finished, then it tells you that you're going to make straight lines. Same thing again. So you may want to mark again so that it's equal. I'm marking every number. That's all I'm doing. 3 to 4. And these are my tick marks. These are my guidelines so that I will make my paper straight. So remember, anything outside the box, and I always use the bottom of my paper so I can make sure my line is straight, and I find it easier to draw to me. And then when you get to the inside, you're doing the same thing again, except you're curving to the left and the right. So you just need to follow your picture for that. And then it tells you that you're coming to the center. So you're going to do all of the lines on this side. They're going to curve to the right. And all the lines on the left of the center are going to curve to the left. And then all of these are going to curve to the other side. So you do that. Then you can read the rest of the directions where it tells you that you're going to come in and you're going to create value by adding black shapes to the inside. Of course, if you wanted to use a color, you can. Okay? If you have any questions, ask or substitute. But all of your directions are here at the bottom. And then you're going to go in and you're going to alternate. You're going to start in the heart first, and you're going to alternate where you're doing your shading, create a checkerboard. I would start at the top, and I'd work down each row. If you don't, you're going to have a mistake. Make it smooth. And do that on the whole entire work.